is up, you guys? Shauna here with another wig tutorial. Today I am working with a company by the name of Yolissa, and they sent me a wig, and I'm going to go over everything that is in this box and then the specs of this wig. So in opening up the box, we got a whole bunch of goodies up in here. We have a satin Yolissa bag that you can store your wig in after you take it off. That is pretty. We have the details of the wig and how to care for it. And they have front and back instructions. We have stocking caps. Always need those. We got some fancy eyelashes here. We have, we have one of those edge brushes. Another little thin scarf to tie your hair down in the front for your edges. And then I believe this is another edge scarf here. Oh yes, honey. You got the Yolissa scarf for them edges. Yes, okay. So that's everything that's in the box as far as all the goodies go. Now for the best part, I have a 22-inch HD lace undetectable skin melt transparent lace wig. It is 22 inches. The cap size is small and the hair density is 180%. And I'm just super excited. I'm just gonna say that off rip about this cap size being a small, because I've been doing recent wig reviews and all the cap sizes have been too big for my head. So I'm super excited to try this one out. And straight out the pack, and let me take the net off. Ooh, honey. Okay. Let me run my fingers through it and see if we got much shedding. This is the natural hair color too, because I can see like those little brown tint highlights in there. Not too much shedding. Not too much. That's what we got. You guys can see that for shedding. And then this is what the lace looks like up against my skin. And the knots are not bleached, but I'm going to do something different this time around with this wig and just the install in general. So I'm going to be using my cream foundation to tint the lace, and then I'm going to be using my melting spray. I got so much light going on you can hardly see it. The melting spray by Wig Dealer. I'm going to be using their melting spray today instead of using glue, and I'm not doing the bald cap method either. I'm just going to put a stocking cap on my head, but since I'm not gluing the lace down, I'm not going to do the bald cap method, because you guys, in all honesty, the glue irritates my skin after like 3 days. It's always been like that for me with lace wigs. Whenever I put the wigs on and I use glue to adhere the wig, it messes me up after the 3rd day, and then I start getting irritated and I have to take the wig off. So I'm going to try something different, and hopefully this works, and I might have a better solution, and I'll probably wear wigs a little bit more often. But yeah, as of right now, I'm just going to go ahead over to my mannequin head and put my wig on it and go ahead and color the inside. Oh, and this is what the inside of the cap looks like, you guys. You got your combs on the side, one here at the bottom, and then it's the 13x4 HD lace. Yep, so this is what it looks like. And this hair is nice and thick. I like it already. Alrighty, you guys, and before I start laying anything across my forehead, glue adhesive wise, I always use my Isopril alcohol 91%, and I also use my Bold Hold skin protectant. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and install this wig, y'all. Alrighty, you guys, so I wanted to switch my location so you guys could see this hair. Yes, I love this Yolissa hair. Oh my goodness, you guys. The density is perfect for me. I don't like thick hair. It's thick, but once you get it wet, it kind of thins out a little bit, but it still has a thickness to it. You can tell. I'm going to leave all the descriptions of this company in my description box below. So if you guys want to make a purchase or visit the website, all of the specs about the wig will also be there. And yeah, I just love this wig, you guys. The cap fits perfect. I mean, when I say perfect, it fits perfect. So I'm super excited that I finally got a wig that actually fits my head. Okay, but yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, you guys. And oh my goodness, this hair is just gorgeous. So I will see you guys on another video real soon. And as always, don't forget to slay them edges.